Welcome to the master planned community of Sonoran Foothills in North Phoenix. I'm Spero Pagos with Platinum Living Realty, and I'd like to give you a tour of my latest listing at 1828 West Sierra Sunset Trail. This stunning, move-in ready T.W. Lewis home is just over 2,800 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, and a split 3-car garage. The upgraded gourmet kitchen features a gas cooktop, staggered cabinets, a convenient desk space, and a large breakfast island overlooking a spacious yet cozy family room. You'll enjoy entertaining in the private backyard as you're surrounded by single-level homes. Splash around in the sparkling pool with fire and water effects, unwind in the built-in therapeutic spa, or cozy up with someone special next to the gas fire pit. Now come on, let's take a closer look inside. For more information on this home or to schedule a private showing, contact me, Spero Pagos, at 602-773-6600. Thank you.